Also breaking, the ACLU of Nebraska is taking the state to court.
The argument is over the law that combined a 12-week abortion ban with a ban on gender-affirming surgeries. Brian Mastery tonight on the legal issues involved and how the Attorney General responded.
The crux of the ACLU lawsuit against Nebraska centers on Article 3 of the Nebraska Constitution. It reads, "No bill shall contain more than one subject, and the subject shall be clearly expressed in the title."
It was log rolling and it should have never happened.
In April, a 6-week abortion ban failed by one vote. Weeks later, a senator attached a 12-week abortion ban to a bill that would ban gender-affirming care in minors. The combination bill passed and is now law after the governor signed it last week, surrounded by the lawmakers who voted for it. Supporters said both bills deal with children, and that it makes perfect sense to combine them into one subject. But opponents argued that abortion and gender care are two subjects, not one, and unconstitutional. The ACLU wants a judge to decide.
If you have to put subjects together in order to garner support, that is exactly not what our constitutional framers intended. They wanted things to be clear whether we're talking about legislators who are voting on it or community members that are voting on the ballot.
The single subject debate is not new. In 2020, the Nebraska Supreme Court threw out a medical marijuana ballot petition for violating this single subject of the Constitution. The argument from the justices was essentially growing and consuming medical marijuana was more than one subject and thus unconstitutional for being combined. John, Lauren?
Well, Brian, with that lawsuit filed today, what's the next step?
Well, the Attorney General has 30 days to answer the lawsuit. His team, I'm told, will defend the law. The ACLU is asking the courts to stop both laws, but in the meantime, while the legal system proceeds, has requested a temporary injunction in which a judge could decide at any time. Planned Parenthood says the 12-week abortion ban, down from what was the 20-week law, is already impacting patient care. John?